Number 7. The Spartan Vegetable Soup. Vegetable soup dates to ancient history. The Spartans ate a thin vegetable soup called black broth in ancient times. The soup is made with root and leaf vegetables. Basic ingredients in addition to vegetables can include beans, tofu, noodles and pasta, vegetable stock, and olives. This vegetarian soup stands strong against the army of non-veg soups. Number 6. Seafood Clear Soup. This soup is served with large chunks of fish or vegetable left in the liquid. While a broth is a flavored liquid usually derived from simmering seafood like fish, shrimps, and crabs with some root vegetables for several hours in a flavorful stock. It packs a strong punch of ginger and aroma of the sea in a steaming bowl of goodness. Number 5. Chicken Noodle Soup. This American classic consists of a clear chicken broth, often with pieces of chicken or vegetable. Common additions are pasta, dumpling, or grains such as rice and barley. Chicken noodle soup has acquired a reputation of a folk remedy for cold and influenza. In many countries, it is considered a comfort food. Number 4. Peshawari Yakhni. The word yakhni means a stock. Peshawari yakhni originated from the cold northern mountainous areas of Pakistan. The Pashtuns are known for their big appetite and hearty meals. In Peshawar, one serving of a yakhni consists of a large steaming bowl of clear yellowish broth with a large piece of bone-in chicken leg and thigh. This Peshawari yakhni is made with old organic chickens, usually a male. This clear stock is flavored with turmeric and considered a medicine disguised as food to fight the harsh cold weathers of northern Pakistan. Number 3. Seafood Chowder. This creamy goodness is the ultimate soup for seafood lovers. Covered in the luxurious silky smooth soup, you may find the sea treasures like salmon, cod, clams, crab, and shrimps. Other ingredients used in seafood chowder may include potatoes, onions, celery, carrot, corn, and bacon. Contrary to popular belief, the soup is not a cream-based soup, but is a chicken stock and milk-based soup thickened with roux and finished with butter and cream. Find its recipe with scientific explanations on Food Scientist channel. Link will be in the description below. Number 2. Hot and Sour Chicken Soup. This Chinese soup is claimed to be the regional dish of Beijing and Sichuan. The Chinese hot and sour soup is usually meat-based and often contains ingredients such as daylily buds, woody or fungus, bamboo shoots, and tofu. It is typically made hot by red peppers and sour by vinegar. An Indian variant of this Chinese phenomena is quite popular in the subcontinent, especially in India and Pakistan. A twist to the original recipe is made by adding ginger, soy sauce, carrots, and peas in a strong chicken broth. Find its recipes with scientific explanations on Food Scientist channel on YouTube. Link will be in the description below. Number 1. Chicken Corn Soup. This is not a soup, it's a tradition. With the first winter winds comes the distinctive aroma of stewing corn and chicken in the whole subcontinent and China. Almost half the population of the entire world claims this soup to be their favorite. Millions of roadside stalls of chicken corn soup can be seen on the streets of India and Pakistan alone. This simple soup is a stew of chicken broth and sweet corn. It is served with pickled green chilies, dark soy sauce, and sweet chili sauce. The ultimate roadside recipe of this chicken corn soup is available on Food Scientist channel on YouTube. Link to that will be in the description below.